In this video, I want to show you how to restart your Eufy camera. This is one of the troubleshooting steps that you want to try if your camera is not working properly. And keep in mind that restarting your camera is not going to remove your settings, and this is quite different from a reset. So let's go ahead and restart this camera. What you want to do is to get your phone. So you want to get your phone where you have the Eufy app installed, and you want to open the Eufy app. Alright, and you want to select your camera. So this is mine right here. Now tap the three dots here and tap the settings icon, and I want to scroll down to where you have restart device. So tap restart device and then tap restart. So that's it. So that's how to restart your Eufy camera. So this is going to power cycle your device, and this helps to fix some issues. Maybe your camera is not working properly, and this should help fix some problems. So that's it. That's how to restart your Eufy camera. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.